afternoon guys, hope you're all well. So welcome to another video for Motorhome Retrofits. Today's video we are working on this 2022 Hobby Ventura. I say Ventura, yes, it's a Hobby Ventura. It's on a Citroen Relay base, which is unusual for us because 9 times out of 10 it's Fiat Ducato. We do get more Peugeots, but very rare to get one on a Citroen base. It doesn't really matter because in essence they're pretty much all the same, just a different badge on the grille and the steering wheel. So this lady has travelled over to us from Jersey and has had 5G Wi-Fi fitted on the roof with the router in the cupboard. We have also fitted a set of another set of our front motorhome side steps. Not this one, but this is our step here. And we have also added 2 new 240 volt 3-pin sockets. So join me inside, we'll have a quick look at those first. So this vehicle came to us with already this single 240 3-pin under a little flap. Most of these flaps we find people have already broken off, and this customer said that it just gets in the way anyway. We have then supplied a C-line 3-pin 240 volt socket, no flap, and it's directly below. So that means that you can have 2 devices plugged in here, toaster, kettle, whatever you want to do, induction hob, and it just means it's nice, easy, convenient. All taken off of the main consumer board so that it's safety and protected. Now Sammy can pan the camera around. Also on here, there has been a double socket put in here. So here's the original factory one, and all we've done then is add another one in over the top. Now, also in this vehicle, we've done our Wi-Fi. Now, this vehicle doesn't lend itself very well to having something fitted to the roof because there's already stuff on the roof. So we've had to bring the antenna in here. Not the prettiest installation, but when it's the only way of us getting access to the roof and fitting the antenna, then needs must. And that's the way it is in this vehicle, because all of these cupboards, when you look up inside the roof, there's actually a very small aperture and not big enough footprint for the antenna. So what Richard has done, he's come in here, nice and neatly P-clipped the cabling round through a little hole saw here, and then in the cupboard we've then got the Wi-Fi. The Wi-Fi is conveniently stowed just here. This is nothing to do with us, by the way. That is to do with the Truma heating hot water. Actually, it's the solar panel. And then the Wi-Fi is then all connected up onto here. So as you've seen before with these things, it's on a magnetic mount. And if you wanted to, you could unplug the antennas and the charge cable and take that with you. So it's portable. So this customer then has to fit a network SIM card in there, and then once she has done that, she's then got nice 5G Wi-Fi, obviously network signal dependent. But this is the smart 5G Compact Pro, expertly fitted, sealed up on the roof. And then last thing we've done for this customer is the motorhome steps. So we'll have a quick look at those. Only yesterday we were filming an identical video for a set of steps. Make a massive difference to getting in and out of the vehicle. It reduces the step up by 50%. It's clear to see the benefit of these steps, and it just means that you're doing instead of doing this, you're doing this. And I can step up and down on this step and step into the vehicle, and the same back down. And it's the same as if I was getting out of this vehicle, I could easily just step down onto the step like so. Job done. So 2022 Hobby Ventura on a Citroen Relay base and van and chassis. We've now done loads of features and extras. If you are interested in anything that we've fitted to this vehicle, website links in the bio, and keep watching our social media and YouTube. Thanks for watching, guys.